How to fix TikTok repost button not showing. Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. In this quick tutorial video, I'm going to show you the easy way to fix TikTok repost button not showing problem. Do watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe our channel for more tech and tips videos. Firstly, launch TikTok application on your device. Make sure to update the application and sign in to your particular account. Now tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Once you get access to the profile section, tap on three-line icon at top right corner of the screen. Go to Settings and Privacy. Now on this section, select Privacy under Account. And make sure that you haven't enabled the private account feature on your TikTok account, because if you enable private account, you won't be able to repost or share any videos to public. So once you have done that, come back to the home page of your TikTok and select any video that you want to repost. Tap on the share icon at bottom right corner of the screen. Here you have got the repost option at the bottom left corner. Tap on repost button and this video has been reposted to your profile or to your friends as well. So you have to make sure and be aware about that every video does not have the repost button, because that is the privacy settings made by other users on the account. So we cannot do anything on that case. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and thank you for watching.